Let us talk about a superpower that didn't exist a decade ago, having the entire stock market in your pocket. You could be waiting in line for coffee, on your lunch break, or sitting on your couch, and with a few taps on your phone, you can be trading one of the biggest companies in the world, Amazon. But with that power comes a huge question: how do you do it without making a costly mistake? The interface is small, your fingers are big, and the pressure is on because you know one wrong tap could mean real money. What's the difference between a market and a limit order on this tiny screen? How can you quickly check if it's a good time to buy or sell? That anxiety is what keeps most people from using their phone for anything more than checking their portfolio. But what if you could navigate your trading app with the confidence of a pro? This video is your mobile trading co-pilot. We're going to open up a popular trading app together, and I am going to show you the exact steps, the hidden features, and the critical settings you need to trade Amazon stock safely and effectively from your phone. Let's unlock the potential of your device. The absolute first step is choosing and mastering your trading app. The three heavyweights in the mobile space are Robinhood, known for its sheer simplicity; Webull, which offers a powerful balance of tools and usability; and Fidelity, which brings its institutional-grade reputation to a mobile format. While they look different, they all function on the same core principles. The moment you open any of them, you should immediately do two things. First, find the search icon. It's usually a magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. Tap it and type in Amazon. This will take you to Amazon's dedicated stock page. Second, and this is a pro habit, familiarize yourself with the chart. On this page, you'll see Amazon's price chart. You can usually switch between different time frames: 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. Get in the habit of looking at the 1-year or 5-year chart to understand the long-term trend before you even think about a trade. Is the general direction up, down, or sideways? This 10-second check provides crucial context and stops you from making a trade based on a single green or red day. Now, let's get to the core of the trade: the order ticket. On the Amazon page, you'll see a prominent button that says Trade or Buy. Tapping this opens the command center for your trade. This is where precision matters. The first and most critical decision you will make is selecting your order type. You will almost always see two main options: market and limit. A market order is an instruction to buy or sell Amazon at the best available price right now. It's fast and it's guaranteed to execute. The problem: on a volatile day, or if you're trading a large number of shares, the best available price might be significantly worse than you expected. This is called slippage. For that reason, I strongly recommend you use a limit order for almost every single trade you make on your phone. A limit order allows you to set the maximum price you're willing to pay when buying, or the minimum price you're willing to accept when selling. It gives you total control. If Amazon is trading at $170, you can set a buy limit at $170.02. Your order will only fill at that price or better. It protects you from those sudden, unpredictable price spikes that can happen in seconds. You've chosen a limit order. Now you need to configure the other essential settings on the ticket. First, look for the time in force or good till setting. For a standard limit order, the best choice is day. This means your order is active until the market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. If it doesn't get filled by then, it cancels automatically. This prevents you from accidentally leaving an order open that gets filled days later under completely different market conditions. Next, be very cautious with the extended hours trading toggle. This allows you to trade before the market opens or after it closes. While it sounds powerful, I recommend beginners keep this turned off. During these sessions, trading volume is much lower. This means the spread between the bid and ask price can be enormous, and your order might not fill, or you might get a terrible price. The regular trading day from 9:30 am to 4 p.m. ET has the most liquidity and the fairest prices. Stick to that while you're learning. Finally, enter your quantity. Thanks to fractional shares, you can trade in dollars instead of whole shares. So, you can invest $200 instead of being forced to buy 1 or 2 whole shares. Placing the trade is only half the battle. Managing it is the other half, and your phone is the perfect tool for this. The two most powerful management features are price alerts and stop-loss orders. Let's start with alerts. Instead of constantly staring at the app, you can set a price alert. On the AMZN page, look for a bell icon or an alert button. You can set it to notify you if the stock hits a certain price, like $175. This frees you from screen watching and lets you make decisions on your own terms. Now, let's talk about the most important risk management tool, the stop-loss order. This is an order you place after you already own the stock, designed to sell automatically if the price falls to a specific level, limiting your potential loss. For example, if you buy Amazon at $170, you could immediately place a stop-loss order at $160. If the stock drops to that level, it triggers a market order to sell, preventing a small loss from becoming a catastrophic one. It's an automatic insurance policy that works while you sleep. You can usually find this option in the same trade menu by selecting Sell and then choosing Stop Loss or Stop Market. Before we finish, I have to end with a crucial disclaimer. Mobile trading makes it easy to act, but that can be a double-edged sword. It can lead to impulsive, emotional decisions. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Trading individual stocks like Amazon is inherently risky and can lead to the loss of your capital. The strategies discussed are for educational purposes only. Past performance is not an indicator of future results. Your call to action is this: open your trading app right now and go to the AMZN page. Don't place a trade. Just explore. Find the chart, open the trade ticket to see the order types, and practice setting a price alert. Build familiarity without any money on the line. The most successful traders are not the ones who make the wildest bets. They are the ones who manage their risk most effectively. Trade smart. Thanks for watching.